mother's brood is also starting to become less dependent. The young avocets can already feed themselves. Until its beak acquires its full upward curve, a young avocet will merely peck at the odd morsel. Like the avocet, the juvenile oyster catcher is already recognizable by its beak. Each young bird is a miniature version of its parents, and a promise of continuation of its species. In the avian paradise, the gray heron is a predator, a deadly sniper who lies in wait. Its beak is like high-precision sights. It may even compensate for the refraction caused by the water surface.